Hello everyone, my name is Alif Mir Bahar and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif, where we will learn the data analysis from the beginning to the advanced level. We have already gone through clipboard, font, alignment, number and styles, sales. So today we are going to learn flash fill and autofill, how to work with it. We have a list of customers here. Over here we have around 80 people. So we would like to find out the first name. The first name is Rohim. What we have we know already, and then we are going to enter it here. Now the second name is Abdul. So while I press the second name Abdul, automatically it catches the first names over here. Once I press enter here and see all the 80 first names has been given over here, and the last name that we will have to find out. UWIN is the last name, and Hussein is the second last name. So here already the computer, the Excel sheet already has calculated all the last names. Once I press enter over here and see the all the name has come over here. Now the middle name we will have to find out. The middle name, there is no middle name in the first name, but I'll have to select it so that I may continue further. So Karim is the second name over here. See, there is no name came over here. Now how we will make it shortly? So Ctrl E is the shortcut to select the middle names. So all the middle names has come over here. Now we have to remove the last names what we have already selected in here. So I'll have to give it a stake over here, and it has already gone. All the stakes has been given on in the two names, like first name and last names. So I'll have to remove it so that the sheet will be so seems clean, neat, clean and tidy. And then this is how you'll have to work with the flash fields, and you will find out separate the names from first name, last name, and first name, middle name, and last name. Now I would like to make the serial wise like 1 to 80, 1 to until the and last name, the 83rd number. How many customers I do have over here in this list? So I press 1, select it, and go to the last name so that I may find out, but it is there. This is giving me 1. Okay, so how may I fix it? I have a tab over here. I have to press over here and fill the series so that I may find out how many customers are existed over here. Now I would like to go down and see there is 80 people over here. 80 name has been created over here. Now if you have to make it 1 to if you have to select something else, like you have to give the negative marking, or you have to give positive marking. What do you have to do? I just press over here 1 and select it and go to the right side. So it gives me 1 in everywhere, but the result I would like to find out on 1 gradually 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So I make it flash fill and I get the accurate result. Now I would like to select the forward one, like the left numbers. I select it and make it flash fill the series, and it gives me the negative numbers. So this is how you have to work on flash fill and autofill. And if you have any question, you just leave your comment below so that I may give you the all information. If you need the sheet